Hello everyone. Our today's topic is linear equation in one variable, which is chapter 2 of your Ncert Maths book. Now, linear equation in one variable. Before starting the chapter, I would like to remind you what are algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means a combination of numbers and variables, like if we write 2x, if we write 2x plus 5, if we write 3x square plus xy plus 6, this is also algebraic expression. These all are algebraic expression. This is of term 1. Here you have term 1 and term 2. Two terms are here. Now this is algebraic expression of three terms. One, this is second, this is third, this is second, this is third. So it is here you have three terms in this algebraic expression. So here we will talk about only this and not about this, because it has the maximum power 2, and linear equation means the power of the variable should not exceed from 1. Here you have 2x, x to the power 1 we can say. Here also 2x, it means the power 1. So here in this chapter we will learn only about x and y having power not more than 1, means 2x, 3x, 5y, 6y, like this. This is all about algebraic expression. And when we establish a equality involving variables, see, when we establish if we write 2x plus 5, put a equal sign and give it a number, 2x plus 5 is equal to 7, means we have established a equality involving variables. So this become a equation 2x plus y is equal to 7, 2x is equal to 5, 3y minus 7 is equal to 9. These are all equation consisting a variable, equal sign, and a fixed number, that is constant. So this is linear equation of one variable. Now how to solve them? Now the next question is how to solve a linear equation. Now imagine a beam balance. I am giving you example of beam balance having two pans and each having 5 pebbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It also have 5 pebbles. Now imagine it will be definitely a perfectly balanced beam. 5 pebbles here, 5 pebbles always here. Both are equal. Okay, equal means perfectly balanced. Now suppose if I add 2 more pebbles here, then obviously this will be slightly tilted towards this side, right hand side. To make again it perfectly balanced, we have to add 2 pebbles here also. You can imagine, if you add 2 pebbles here, it will be slightly disbalanced and tilted towards right hand side. This is RHS and this is LHS. Now it will be tilted towards right hand side. To make it balanced, we have to add 2 more pebbles here. Again it will be perfectly balanced. Now again if you add one big pebble here on left hand side, what you need to do, the same thing will happen on left hand side. Now the left hand side is a heavier, then it will be tilted towards downwards. Now to make it perfectly balanced, you have to add one more big pebble on right hand side. This is the only method to solve a linear equation or any equation, like if it is 3x plus y is equal to 7. If we add, this is balanced, equal sign means balanced. If you add something here or subtract from here, you have to do the same thing from here as well. If you add 2 here, you have to add 2 here. If you had subtract something from here, you have to subtract that the same thing from here also. Fine, this is the only method to solve a linear equation. Now coming on working steps. Working steps, suppose I have written a random equation. I have not taken this equation from book, I just take a random numbers. 3 within bracket 2x plus 3 bracket close is equal to 10. This is a simple equation, linear equation. Now first step, simplify both sides, RHS and LHS. Means whatever is left side on the equal sign and whatever is right side on the equal sign, simplify. Simplify means remove brackets, or if you don't have bracket, if you have fraction, remove fraction. Okay, if you have bracket, remove that. If you have fraction, remove that. After taking LCM, in order to remove fraction, you have to take LCM also. Take LCM and simplify. First step is simplify both RHS and LHS. Number 2, isolate the variable. Isolate the variable. Try to isolate x. X is the variable here. Try to isolate this thing. Take all the constant here on the right hand side of equal sign, and if you have something in subtraction, if you have anything in division, then multiply, cross multiply, and try to isolate the variable. Okay, the same thing I would like to do some. This is the equal sign, children. Whenever anything goes from left hand side to right hand side, it will changes its nature. If plus sign goes from left hand side to RHS, it will become negative. Same if multiplication sign goes from left hand side to right hand side, it will become division. Okay, and vice versa is always also true. If minus sign and division sign changes the side from LHS to RHS, it will become multiplication and subtraction. Okay, means plus and multiplication, if either side they go from one side to another, they will become subtraction and division. Please remember this thing, and also BODMAS rule. Okay, these are very basic things. So I am not telling you BODMAS, you are studying from class 4th, and this thing also from 6th, 7th, 8th you have studied. Please remember all those things while solving a equation problem.